But what is this S.E.E.L sort of thing and what does it stand for? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers and a very warm welcome. I'm your host Dr. Nasir Mahmood and you are watching the Linguistics Hub. Before you scroll, wait, because in the next few minutes I'm going to teach you a writing skill that your schools, YouTube and textbooks never properly explain. And that is how to build a powerful paragraph, right? Not a boring paragraph, not a school level paragraph, but a paragraph that makes your teacher think, wow, who taught you to write like this? And this trick works for stories, essays, assignments, and everything. Ever read a paragraph that feels like a moving scene and another one like a random grocery list? The difference is not because of vocabulary, not grammar, not intelligence, but it's structure. Structure is what turns plain writing into powerful one. Okay? A strong paragraph is like a mini story. It has one clear idea, a simple explanation, a real punchy example, and a closing that leaves an impact. Okay? Think of it like making tea. Water, main idea, tea leaves, explanation, sugar, example, and cup, closing sentence that holds everything together. If one is missing, the tea tastes weird, right? Meet the most powerful paragraph formula in the world, and that is S.E.E.L formula. I call it S.E.E.L because it seals your ideas properly. Okay? But what is this S.E.E.L sort of thing and what does it stand for? S, statement. E, explanation. Next E, example. And L, link. Okay? Don't go anywhere, as it's time to discuss a practical example of paragraph writing. And the topic is stress in modern life. Okay? You should write like this. So first we start with the statement. And statement introduces your topic or unfolds it. For example, stress has become one of the most common problems in modern life. Okay? Next comes explanation. What we have declared or introduced in the topic sentence is explained further and explanation part. Okay? With busy schedules, constant notifications, rising expectations, people occasionally get mental breaks. Right? We know that example makes things more practical and clear. Studies show that average person checks their mobile over 90 times a day, even during meals and conversations. Okay? And let's not forget the final conclusion that we call link. It is called link because it summarizes what has already been discussed. This constant mental overload explains why stress levels are rising worldwide. Okay, now compare it with this one. Stress is very common nowadays. People get stressed because life is busy. We need to reduce stress, and stress causes problems. So, what's the difference between the two? The first one is structured, calm, intelligent, and the second one feels like tired WhatsApp message. Agreed? Let us consider another example, and the topic is discipline in schools. Okay. First, we focus on the statement. The statement is an introductory sentence, so it is discipline plays a vital role in creating a productive learning environment. And after that, explanation or further elaboration. When students follow rules, teachers can spend more time on learning and less on controlling the class. And in the example, for instance, schools with clear rules often report better attendance, higher grades, and fewer classroom disruptions. Now, coming towards the final part, that is the link. Therefore, discipline is not about punishment, but about building a healthy learning culture. Now, it's the time for mutual practice. Let's build a paragraph, but in how much time? Just 15 seconds. Ready? The topic is exercise. Wow! Strong, simple, and powerful, isn't it? So remember that a good paragraph is not about big words, but a big clarity. Use seal, and your writing will look smarter, clearer, and of course, more professional. If this helped, do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep watching the Linguistics Hub. Allah Hafiz.